here. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problem and the solution.
Hello guys, today I want to teach you guys a very powerful recipe, a very powerful ritual you can do that will guarantee you anything. I mean anything at all, anything you want at all. This ritual guarantees you anything, I mean anything and everything, okay? And if you find this video helpful, do well to like the video. And before I proceed, God is very wonderful. Our God is not stubborn. Our God is not wicked. Our God loves us equally. He has general love for us. So me and somebody was talking that they say, why me? There was a lady that came here. The lady was like, my mate have gotten married, I have not gotten married. Why me? Why is God doing this? Why this or that? I've went to several spiritualists and they told me that somebody is after it. It's my mother that don't want me to get married. Is this or that? I said, okay. When I checked for this particular lady, I noticed that the problem she has was her. The problem she was facing was herself. Now let me make something clear to you, right? We used to ask God for husband, for example. God might not give you that husband when you are not ready yet to receive that husband. Okay? There are some ladies today that up to date they are not married. They are not married because if God should give them husband, that marriage will not last. They will use their hand to scatter it. So God will wait so that you learn the lesson. After you have, God is maybe that God have seen that the only way for you to learn is to make sure that you delayed your husband. So when you finally get that husband, you hold that husband tight. Imagine you have been praying for husband or you have been praying for wife since 2010. Then God now grant you that wish this year, 2024. You've gotten that husband. When you know that, when you remember how many years you have been looking for a husband, you will hold the one God has given to you tight. That's just the truth. That's why some things delayed. You might ask God for certain things. God says that if He gives those things to you, you are not ready yet to use them. You are not ready yet to handle the pressure that comes. You are not ready yet to handle the feelings that comes with it. So as a result, God will hold it until you are ready. Somebody must have asked for a car. That car, God will never give it to you until He knows that you are ready to handle that feelings that will come with owning a car. Because there are some of you asking God for a car, of which if God should give you that car, you will talk to another different human being entirely. As a man, you will be praying for God to give you a car. God sees that if He give you that car, you think you have arrived. You will carry women from here to another. You will not have that car until you are ready to handle that feeling. Until you are ready to handle that feeling. Before, let me say, ending of this video, I will tell you guys a story. Meanwhile, let me go to today's topic. I want to teach you what you need to do, okay, if you want anything at all. So this ritual works for everything and anything you want. You want a visa, you want to travel out of the country, you need a destiny helper, you want to get married, you want to build a house, you want to buy a car. So this ritual is for you. And all you are going to need for this ritual, you are going to need a native chalk. You are going to need a native chalk. You are going to need salt. You are going to need 1 coconut. You are going to need honey, the almighty honey. I will cut them again. You need native chalk. You need honey. You need coconut. And you need salt. Those are the 4 major items you are going to need. And another item you can still ask, if you believe that you are experiencing setback, you believe that there are some forces that are attacking you from your hometown, from the family, or there are some generational stuff that affect you, then you need to add egg. So to make it 5 items. So which means now you are making your 5 items, which is the egg, the salt, the native chalk, the honey, and the coconut. After I've gotten those 5 items I just mentioned, then if it is a house you are building, maybe you started the house already, and that house you have started, you don't have money to complete it, then you go and do this particular ritual in that house. But if it is not a house, it's something else you need. Look for anywhere like a bush, you can have access, a bush you can have access to. You dig a hole. After digging a hole, then you pour salt. You pour the salt now. You pour the salt, pour it inside the hole. Then you get native chalk, put it inside or top, put on top of this of the native chalk, or just scrape the native chalk and put it on top of the salt. Then after then you carry the coconut, put the coconut on top of it. Okay, if you are using egg, the egg should come first. I told you egg is optional. You can only use egg. You can add egg if you believe there's some setback, you can add egg. So if you put egg, so the egg is coming first, then before the coconut. Okay, so the egg first before the coconut. Then the last thing that will go in is the honey. Then you carry the honey, you pour the honey on top of everything there. Then you now make this incantation. Nobody knows how water enters inside the coconut, not even the people that plant the coconut. As a result, there should be no bad charm, there should not be no bad energy that should be able to monitor me spiritually. Just like the way the water inside coconut is perfect, I want my life to be perfect. I want money to come to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. I want money to come to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. I want this visa I'm looking for. I want this visa to come to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. Just like the way water enters inside coconut freely, easily, and effortlessly. So I want my visa to come to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. If it is husband you are looking for, I want my husband to come to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. If it is money, I want money to come to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. If it is anything at all you want, if it is a car, so I want to get money to I want to get money to buy a good car freely, easily, and effortlessly. Just like the way honey is sweet, so shall my life be sweet. Everything about my life will be sweet. People will love me unconditionally. My workplace, I will be sweet. In anything I do at my workplace, everybody will see it as a good thing. In anything I do, my wife, my husband will see it as a good thing. So as a result, as honey is sweet, so shall my life be sweet. As everybody loves honey, so shall generally everybody loves me. From today henceforth, I pray that anything I lay my hands on will prosper. All my business promises, everybody will love my business promises. Everybody will want to patronize me. Even my own is more expensive. Everybody will want to patronize me. Both my online business, anything I do at all, I want that positive energy, positive vibe to follow it. I want everything to all work out perfectly on my favor. I want this, I want that. You will be making that prayers on it after you have poured the honey. So after remember when you are going to, remember you have already dig the hole. And when you want to make this prayer, just make sure that you are facing it down. Just make sure you are facing it while making the prayer. So you finish the stuff, make your prayers. Then when you are done making your prayer, then you will now say, listen, you will now say, salt and evil has nothing in common. So this ritual I have done should have nothing to do with evil. So I and evil has nothing to do. I and evil has nothing in common. The reason why you are putting that salt is that if you did not put that salt, okay, the witches can come and turn that spell against you. Because they will have access to, okay, this is what this person is doing. They can turn that spell against you. You are not as strong as them. So once you put that salt and native chalk there, that salt will enable them not to spoil what you have done, and that native chalk will enable which anytime they come to that place you did that spell, everywhere will be white. They will not be able to see anything there. Once they come there, everywhere will be plain white. So that's why you're putting all those things. So once you do that, by special grace of Almighty God, everything work out perfectly for you. And the function of that egg there is that egg is life. Egg gives life. Everything all starts with egg. So that egg there will give you a new beginning from what family cause or whatever it is that is disturbing you, to give you a new beginning from it. So that is how those things work. Each and everything you see, they say do this, do like this. They all have meaning spiritually. So don't come and ask me, since there is no coconut, can I? Since there is no coconut, can I use orange? So please, you cannot. People can ask that question. So they said knowledge is power. See, knowledge is power. That's why they said it. There are people that said that if you think education is expensive, try ignorant and sin. Let me give you a true life story that happens here. Now this is what happened. A man has 2 wives. Is it 2 wives? 3 wives. So this man, I don't want to mention this state. Okay, here where I live. So the man has 2 wives, and the 2 of them has 9 children already. 1 4, 1 5. So the way the country is, the man is scared. The man was just discussing with Fred, I'm scared to even touch my wife now, because anytime I touch them, they get pregnant. Anytime I touch them, they get pregnant. Here in the north, they believe that family planning is a sin. And using a condom, CD, is a sin. It's a sin. So as a result, they don't want to. So they meet with their wives raw. So the man is not scared of touching the wife, because he don't want the wife to get birth again. And the way it is, to even feed the 9 children is a problem for him. So there is this woman. This woman has been married for several years. This woman has been married for several years, no issue. I think about 7 years. The woman was married for 7 years, no issue. So as a result of that, the husband divorced her. So when the husband divorced her, after the husband divorced her, then the friend was now advising him to marry the woman. See, the woman has been married for 7 years, and there's no issue. He should just marry that woman. That one, he can knock the way he likes. They believe that the woman is not going to give him. So the man was happy with the idea. So the man wanted to go marry the woman. The man got married the woman. Within the month, he got married the woman. The woman got pregnant. Making 10 children. So the man was seriously angry, fighting his friend. And when people got that, what is going on? The man was not telling us the story. Everybody was just laughing. But the people did not find it funny. But me, I was just laughing. When I noticed the case, I said, God, in this generation, my dear, knowledge is power. Seriously. So you need it. If you think this video, if you think I've done so well in this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe, and share. Okay, a nice comment from you means so much to me. See you guys in the next video. The Seer always cares, yeah.